The Genesis GV70 is available with forward and reverse parking distance warning systems. These systems utilize ultrasonic sensors located in the front fascia and lower rear valance. Forward and reverse parking distance warning can help warn the driver if an obstacle is detected when the vehicle is moving forward or in reverse at speeds under 6 miles per hour. When this system detects an oncoming object, a warning alert will sound, and the center display will show the location of the object. The warning alert will beep more rapidly as the vehicle gets closer to the object, and the indicator light will change on the display. The warning alert volume can be adjusted by pressing Setup, Vehicle, Driver Assistance, and then Warning Methods. Here you can adjust the volume and haptic warning. To have forward and reverse parking warning automatically turn on each time you start the vehicle, press Setup, then Vehicle, then Driver Assistance, then Parking Safety, and then select Parking Distance Warning Auto On. Keep in mind that if Parking Distance Warning Auto On is deselected, the volume will not fully turn off, but rather the volume will sound as low. You can also turn forward and reverse parking warning on or off by pressing the Parking Safety button on the center console. This button will light up when the system is on and will show no light when the system is off. Note that if you shift the vehicle into reverse, the system will automatically turn on. For more information, be sure to explore the how-to videos on the Genesis USA YouTube channel, as well as consult owners.genesis.com and your owner's manual.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the Genesis USA YouTube channel for more great videos and visit genesis.com for more info.